Hi guys, welcome back to my channel After Budgeting. My name is Heaven. I live in a Crawley area with my 2-year-old son. This channel is about keeping myself accountable with my money and teaching my son how to be better off with his money and teaching him to have savings for his future. Today I will be doing a Happy Mail unboxing of a couple of things that I've received. First off is this box, and I ordered this off Realistic Budget on Instagram. So she was getting rid of a bunch of items and I needed a few of them, so I decided to get them. Sorry guys, I'm ill. I think I've come down with a cold. So to start off with, I bought the Ultimate Word Search Saver by Budget Saving Queen, and it's got spring, summer, autumn, winter, Easter, Halloween, Christmas, animals, the impossible words, and the impossible word search. So that's from Budget Saving Queen, as well as these three as well. Is there any more? I think that is it from, yeah. So from Little Moon Budget, we have we've got the Smoothie Saver, which I've already got, but I will use it anyway. Then we got Bubblegum Pop, and we got Crack the Code. So, and then from Studio Budget, we've got some placeholders, which I needed more of. So you've got two 200s, two 100s, 3 100s. No, hang on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 100s, 2 50s, 120 and 110. And these are from Studio Budget. And then I don't know who these are from, but I've got 150, 250, 150, 50, 100, 500, 100 in those. And like I said, I don't know who these are from. But I needed more placeholders anyway. And then in this style, we've got 50, 20, 50, 100, 100, 200, 200, fully funded and fully funded. Again, I don't know who they are from. And then from Endless Budget Designs, we've got the Ultimate Mini Savings Challenge, which will be good in my mini savers. So we've got Ice Cream Savings, which saves 20. Cross It Off saves 50. Follow the Yellow Brick Road, and that saves 54. Boo Savings saves 55. Hello Summer saves 55. Mermaid Tales saves 60. Save the Fish 120. Tree It Up saves 56. Colour the Rainbow 60. Teardrop Ones save 100. Save the Twos 100. High Fives saves 270. Save 1000 when completed. Repeat 4 times and save 4000. Wow. Okay. So that's that. Then from peachy budgets, we've got 150 challenge. We've got Flower Power, which saves 50. Easy Peasy Lemon Squeezy, which saves 120. And Roll and Save, which saves 165. And I don't know who these are from, but I got Save 100. And then I've got Save the Elephant, Roll and Save, which saves 50. And then Safari, Roll and Save, which saves 42. So that is my Happy Mail from Realistic Budget. I've bought quite a few bits from her now. And then this is from Studio Budget Co. And this is her Home Edition. Studio Budget Lane Home Box. Pardon me. So we've got the challenges. It tells you what challenges it comes with. And then the... we've got a sticker and 2 dice. We got some sweets. We got SB Home Tour. So we got the hallway, living room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, and that saves £90, and it comes with an envelope and dashboard. Then we've got paint pot. Roll the dice, colour the paint pot in that colour and save the corresponding amount. So we've got paint pot cleanup. Again with the envelope and tracker. And then we've got Rubber Ducky Looky. It's a duck hunt. Get searching for the ducks hidden around the bathroom using the key below. You decide the denominations for each duck. Oh, okay, that will be a good one to do. I know why we got a little ducky. Oh, it's another sticker one. So we've got Toolbox Tidy. We've got choose a sticker to save, tidy the tool away in the containers below. Save the amount shown beside the tool sticker. That's awesome. That is actually pretty cool. And that saves 76. And then we've got I Heard You Moved. And you get to choose however amount you want the cow. We've got kitchen cupboard clean out. No. We got 10, 5s and 15s on here. That's pretty cool. Then we got Harvest Holidays, which I'm guessing is why we've got this ornament. Oh, Harvest Holdings. Read that completely wrong. And this saves 97. Kitchen cupboard clear out saves 90. Roll the dice and save according to the key below. 1 and 6 is potato, is £2. 2 and 4 is carrot and parsnip is 5. 3 and 5 is swede, which is 10. And this saves 97. That's awesome. Break and Bank, which is a scratch off, and then you get to choose your own denominations for that one. That is absolutely amazing. I've collected all of these boxes, and I'm going to carry on collecting all of these boxes because I will get around to doing them soon. So I collect all these boxes, all of them. I've got her next box as well, which is the Booktown one. Oh, I can't wait. This is my happy joy. This is what brings me happiness. And I've saved more money than I actually have spent on Etsy and buying all this stuff anyway, so the main goal is to save money, and that's what I am doing. So that is my happy mail. I will be back. Oh look, she even gave you a spanner. That's so cute. Sorry guys for my sniffling. I have a cold. Not very well. But that is my unboxings for today. My next video will be my week 4 cash stuffing for for January, and then check-in for week 3, and then I am gonna do a cash count this month. I'm not gonna do a condensing, but I am gonna do a cash count this month to see how much I have been able to save, and then it will be budget with me for February. So I will see you in my next video, guys. Thank you for watching. I appreciate all the love, all the comments, and all the subscribers. Thank you. Bye.